क्या आप जानते हैं कि उत्तर प्रदेश का एक ऐसा जिला भी है जिसे पूरी दुनिया भारत की इत्र नगरी के नाम से जानती है। लेकिन कन्नौज सिर्फ इत्र के लिए ही नहीं बल्कि एक समय पूरे उत्तर भारत की राजधानी और सम्राट हर्षवर्धन के गौरवशाली साम्राज्य का केंद्र भी था। आइए आज चलते हैं कन्नौज की ऐतिहासिक और सुगंधित यात्रा पर। आवर जर्नी बिगैन इन Kannauj, one of the oldest and most glorious cities in India. In ancient times, it was known as Kannauj and was an important center of learning, trade and culture. The district reached its golden age during the reign of Emperor Harshavardhana in the 7th century. Under his rule, Kannauj became the capital of a vast empire stretching across much of northern India. After his death, powerful kingdoms such as the Gurjara, Pratihas, Palas and Rashtrakutas fought for control of Kannauj in the famous Tripartite Struggle, proving its immense political importance. The traditional chowhaddi of Kannauj is North Hardoi, South Kanpur, East Kanpur Nagar, West Farrukhabad for century. This strategic location connects different kingdom and trade routes. Today, the district continues to pursue its rich heritage while moving towards modern development. Now let's meet the great leader who made Kannauj famous across Asia. The most celebrated ruler associated with Kannauj is Emperor Harshavardhana. He was known not only as powerful king but also as a patron of education, literature and religions. Chinese travelers Exugenj described Kannauj as a prosperous and magnificent city. During Harshavardhana's reign, his vision transformed Kannauj into one of the greatest centers of ancient India. Just a great leadership shaped Kannauj history. Its geography has played an equally important role in its growth. Kannauj is located in the central part of Uttar Pradesh, of the fertile plains of the Ganga River. The district Kannauj rich alluvial soil, making agriculture the backbone of its economy. Farmers mainly cultivate wheat, rice, potatoes, mustard, and sugarcane. The climate is subtropical with hot summer, a pleasant winter, and a monsoon season that supports farming. Beside agriculture, Kannauj is internationally famous for its traditional Attar industry, which has flourished here for centuries. This unique blend of fertile land and skilled craftsmanship has also shaped the district's culture. Kannauj is proudly known as a perfume capital of India. The ancient art of making natural perfume using traditional distillation method is still practiced today. Hindi is the primary language, and festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid and Dussehra are celebrated with great enthusiasm. Folk music, local fare and traditional sweet reflect the warmth and hospitality of the people. The fragrance of Kannauj is not only found in its perfumes but also in its rich tradition and way of life. Now let's explore the palace that make this historic district worth visiting. The Kannauj Perfume Market and International Attar Distillation Unit are the district's biggest attraction, drawing visitors from around the world. Other important palaces include the Archaeological Museum, ancient mounds of Kannauj, and several historic temples that preserve the city's glorious past. A visit to Kannauj offers a perfume blend of history, craftsmanship and culture. Kannauj is more than just a district. It is a city where history meets fragrance, from the glorious empire of Harshavardhana to its world-famous perfumes, fertile fields, and vibrant tradition, Kannauj continue to inspire every visitor. If you enjoy this journey through Kannauj, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more district stories from across India. Thank you for watching.